120 ampere MPPT solar charge controller, and MPPT 100 ampere can be used for commercial and industrial solar. The high voltage 192-volt MPPT solar charge controller has a wide range of PV input voltages 240 VDC to 600 VDC. This type has maximum PV array power from 17,920 watt to 44,800 watt, with intelligent LCD and LED display, capable of being connected in parallel. Support SLA, AGM, GEL, lithium battery, with voltage adjustment based on your demand. Support Wi-Fi box phone app, and external screen for control and monitoring.